Stop scrolling. This is the one habit that changes everything. Welcome back to the right tool for the right job, where small choices make big wins. Meet Max, a kid on a mission to level up his hygiene and finally clean his room. But guess what? Max discovers that effort isn't everything. The right tools matter just as much. When it's time for hand washing, he chooses warm water and soap. Did you know warm water helps soap work wonders on dirt and germs? While cold water can help, it's the soap that truly shines. Max learns that germs lurk in clutter, messy rooms trap dust, and using clean tools speeds up the cleaning process. Using micro habits, just 5 minutes at a time, he picks up clothes, wipes surfaces, and puts everything in its place. Soon, the germs hiding in his room start to vanish. Standing in his clean room, Max beams with pride. Remember, success isn't about doing more. It's about using the right tools the right way. Like, subscribe, and let's build better habits together.